Very good morning, student. I am Azim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajasthan. Student, today I am taking the exercise number 9.5, question number first. Chapter number 9, exercise number 9.5, question number first, class 8 mathematics. The name of the chapter, algebraic expression and identities. The demand of question, use a suitable identity. Identity, that means a formula. For example, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square will be equal of a square. मैं लिख देता हूँ स्टूडेंट, आप भूल जाएंगे a plus b whole square will be equal of a square plus b square plus 2ab. a minus b whole square will be equal of a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b, a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square. And last identity, according to the syllabus of the class 8th, x plus a, x plus b will be equal of x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay, student, the simple identities. So use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. Okay, student. Now we take the question number first. What is the demand of the question number first? X plus 3 and x minus 3. Student, match with the identity. Here x plus 3, x minus 3, just like a identity number 3. What is the identity of third? A plus b and a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where we know that a will be equal of x and b will be equal of 3. Okay, student, here a plus b, a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where a equal to x and b equal to 3, such that we can write these phenomena in the form a square minus b square, that means x square minus 3 square. Student, x square will be equal of x square, but 3 square, that means 3 into 3 will be equal of 9. I hope, student, you getting the proper solution related to first question by use of the suitable identity. Now we moving with the second question. 2y plus 5 and 2y minus 5. देखिए 2y plus 5, 2y minus 5 also रिलेट विद द थर्ड आइडेंटिटी. जब दोनों नंबर सेम हो, ब्रैकेट में पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव हो, तो हम ये सिंपल आइडेंटिटी का यूज करते हैं. हियर a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, where a will be equal of 2y and b will be equal of 5, such that we can written in the form a square minus b square, 2y whole square, that means 2 2 ja 4, 5 5 ja 24. Okay, student, that is the solution for the question number second. Now we take the third question. What is the demand of the third question? 2a minus 7 into 2a plus 7. 2a minus 7 into 2a plus 7. We use the identity x a minus b into a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where a will be equal of 2a and b will be equal of 7. This will be equivalent of a, this will be equivalent of b, such that by use of identity we can write 2a whole square minus 7 whole square. 2a, 2 2 ja 4 and 7 7 ja 49. That is the perfect result for the question number third. Okay, student, there is the solution for the question number first, question number second and question number third. Now we will start with the question number fourth. What is the demand of the question number fourth? Here 3a minus 1 by 2 and 3a plus 1 by 2. 3a minus 1 by 2, 3a plus 1 by 2. we used question number 4. We use the property a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where a will be equal of this and b will be equal of 1 by 4, such that by use of identity we can write a square minus b square. 3 3 ja 9, 1 1 ja 1, 4 4 ja 16. That is a perfect result for the question number 4th. Now we take question number 5th. Question number 5th, that means a 1.1 m minus 0.4 and 1.1 m plus 0.4. Okay student, a minus b, a plus b, that means we used our identity number third, a square minus b square, where a b will be equal of 1.1 m and b equal to 0.4, such that a square minus b square will be equal of 1.1, a will be equal of 1.1 m and b, that means a 0.4. 1.1, that means a 1.21. Student, 11 into 11 will be equal of 121 and 4 4 ja 16. Okay, that is the solution for the question number 5th. Now we take question number 6. Demand of question number 6, a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Okay student, sorry, a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. Now we arrange the question, a square plus b square, positive then negative. Okay student, here we arrange one more time, b square plus a square b square minus a square, ताकि आपको पूरा अच्छा से दिखे. A plus b and a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where capital A will be equal of small b square and capital B will be equal of small a square. By use of identity we can return square whole square minus a square whole square. We know that about the identity, power x to the power m into x to the power n will be equal of power into power, such that 2 into 2 will be equal of 4 and 2 into 2 will be equal of 4. Student, I hope you getting the proper solution related to sixth question of the question number first. According to the first question, फिर से एक बार देखते हैं. Here x plus 3 x minus 3, that means a plus b, a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square. Identity, a square minus b square, 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है 9. नेक्स्ट वन 2y plus 5 and 2y minus 5, that means a plus b, a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4 and y square. Now we take the third question, 2a minus 7, 2a plus 7. Here a minus b, a plus b, also a square minus b square. A will be equal of this and b will be equal of this, such that a square minus b square. 2 2 ja 4, 7 7 ja 49. Next question, student, question number 4th. 3a minus 1 by 2, 3a plus 1 by 2. 3a minus 1 by 2 and 3a plus 1 by 2. A minus b, a plus b, such that a square minus b square. A square minus b square, that means 3a whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square. 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16. Okay student, now next question. 1.1 m minus 0.4, 1.1 m plus 0.4. A minus b, a plus b, that means a square minus b square, such that a will be equal of 1.1 m and b will be equal of 0.4. So 1.1 whole square become 1.21 and 0.4 become 0.17. Next, a square plus b square minus a square plus b square, but according to the identity we know that a plus b, a minus b, मतलब माइनस कहाँ पर आना चाहिए बीच में, सो अरेंज करा इसके अकॉर्डिंग इसको भी अरेंज करा. So a plus b and a minus b will be equal of a square minus b square. Here a will be equal of b square and b will be equal of small a square, such that power will be multiplied by power, then we getting the b to the power 4 minus a to the power 4. Student, now we take the question number 7, question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10 in sequence. Okay student, we will start with the question number 7. What is the demand of question? We have to find the product between the 6x minus 7 and 6x plus 7 by use of suitable identity. That means we don't follow the rules of product. मुझे product नहीं करना, मुझे करना है use suitable identities. Student, we know that about the identity a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, where a equal to 6x and b equal to 7. Okay student, a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, such that we can write in the form 6x square minus 7 square. 6 6 are 36 and 7 7 are 49. Okay student, 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7, a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square. That means a will be equal of 6 and b will be equal of 7, such that a square minus b square will be equal of 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49. Okay student, now we take the question number 8. Okay student, question number 8, minus a minus c and minus a plus c. Student, here minus a is any quantity and c is another quantity. In between we consist the negative sign and positive sign. We know that about the property capital A plus capital B, capital A minus capital B will be equal of a square minus b square, where a will be equal of minus a and b will be equal of c. A will be equal of minus a and b will be equal of small c, such that by use of identity we can write a square minus b square, that means a minus a square minus c square, minus minus will be equal of plus, then a square and c square. Okay student, a square minus minus plus a square, that means a minus a into minus a, minus minus plus a into a will be become a square. Now next question, question number 9. What is the demand of the question number 9? Question number 9, x plus 2 plus 3y divided by 4 in another bracket, x by 2 plus 3y divided by 4. Student, here identity x plus a, x plus b, अगर जो ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होते हैं तो मैं यहाँ पर x plus a, x plus b का यूज़ करता, बट मुझे यहाँ पर वी हैव टू चूज द फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी. पहले तो आप देखिए these into these, और ये दोनों क्या है बिल्कुल सेम, सो वी कैन राइट x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square, and identity related to a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a will be equal of x by 2 and b will be equal of 3y by 4. A equal to this and b equal to this. So by use of identity we can write a square, that means x by 2 whole square, b square, that means 3y by 4 whole square, plus 2, a replaced by x by 2 and b replaced by 3y by 4. Okay student, here whole square, that means x square, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, y square, 4 4 ja 16, 2 divided by 2, then x will be multiplied by 3y, so we getting 3xy and divide by 4. That is the required solution for the question number 9. I defined one more time. Here both brackets are similar such that we can write whole square. X into x will be equal of x square, a into a will be equal of a square. So whole square a plus b whole square will be equal of a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a will be equal of x by 2 and b will be equal of 3 by 4. Okay student, now next point, question number 10, the last question of question number first. 7a minus 9b and 7a minus 9b both are similar in two brackets, so written in the form 7a minus 9b whole square. Okay student, we know that about the identity a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square will be equal of a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a will be equal of 7a and b will be equal of 9b. आप बोलेंगे सर माइनस क्यों नहीं लिया, बिकॉज आइडेंटिटी में माइनस है, मतलब माइनस से माइनस कंपेयर हुआ, b विल बी रिप्लेस बाय 9b. और एक और बात बताऊं, आप ये फॉर्मूला एक्स वाई के फॉर्म में लिख लीजिए ताकि आपको समझने में थोड़ी सी आसानी हो. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन एक ए बी के फॉर्म में है, सो फॉर्मूला रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्स वाई. सो एक्स will be equal of this and y will be equal of this. So answer will be x square, that means 7a whole square plus 9b whole square minus 2 7a into 9b. Student, 7 7 ja 49a square, 9 9 ja 81b square minus 7 9 ja 63 and 63 into 2 will be equal of 126 ab. Okay student, one more time. Here 7a minus 9b and 7a minus 9b both are equal and similar. That means whole square a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Question already in the form of a and b, so we written the formula in the form of x and y. X will be equal of 7a and y will be equal of 9b, such that a square x square plus y square minus 2xy. 2 into 7 into 9, 9 7 ja 63, 63 into 2 will be equal of 126. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to first question of the exercise number 9.5. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School. Student, please like, also subscribe and study from our channel.